The future isn't coming, it's already here. From rewriting the rules of organ transplants to turning food waste into livestock feed, the technologies of 2024 are reshaping our world in ways that feel almost unimaginable. These aren't just gadgets or trends. They're breakthroughs redefining life as we know it. But with every leap forward, there's a question: how far is too far? Let's dive into the top 10 emerging technologies of 2024 and uncover the innovations that could change everything. Number 10. Genomics for transplants. Imagine a world where organ waiting lists are a thing of the past. That future may be closer than you think. In January 2024, history was made when David Bennett became the first human to receive a genetically modified pig heart. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but this breakthrough, known as xenotransplantation, could be the lifeline for over 100,000 people in the U.S. alone waiting for organ transplants. Here's the game changer. By genetically tweaking pig organs, scientists are making them compatible with the human body. This innovation could create an unlimited supply of transplantable organs. But it's not without its controversies. Animal rights activists are questioning the ethics, while others worry about diseases jumping between species. Yet, the potential to save countless lives is undeniable. So, where do we draw the line between what's possible and what's ethical? Number 9. Alternative livestock feeds. Every year, the world wastes over 1.3 billion tons of food. What if we could turn all that waste into nourishment for animals instead of letting it rot? That's the bold idea behind alternative livestock feeds. Imagine black soldier fly larvae breaking down food scraps and then being transformed into protein-rich animal feed. In trials, chickens fed on this insect-based diet grew just as well as those on conventional feed. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Scientists are also exploring single-cell proteins made from bacteria, yeast, or algae grown on industrial byproducts. The possibilities are incredible, yet scaling up production and convincing people to eat meat from animals fed on these diets remain hurdles. Could this be the solution to food waste and animal agriculture's environmental footprint? Number 8. Carbon capturing microbes. What if the smallest organisms on Earth held the key to fighting climate change? Scientists are engineering bacteria and algae to consume carbon dioxide and turn it into something useful. Picture this: microbes devouring CO2 and spitting out biofuels or biodegradable plastics. One such organism, Coccus elongatus, has been modified to produce ethanol more efficiently than many plants. If scaled up, these tiny creatures could lock away billions of tons of carbon annually. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are concerns about releasing engineered microbes into the wild. What if they disrupt ecosystems? And then there's the energy cost of maintaining them on an industrial scale. Can these microscopic warriors really save the planet? Number 7. Elasticaloric cooling and heating. And cooling make up a staggering 10% of global electricity consumption. What if we could cut that by nearly a third? Enter elasticaloric materials. When stretched or compressed, these materials heat up, and when released, they absorb heat, making them incredibly efficient. This technology could revolutionize refrigeration and air conditioning without the need for harmful refrigerants like hydrofluorocarbons, which are major greenhouse gases. But here's the catch. The current materials, like nickel-titanium alloys, are expensive and degrade over time. Scientists are working on alternatives like natural rubber, but we're still in the early days. Could this innovation cool our homes and heat our future without warming the planet? Number 6. Immersive technology in construction. What if you could plan a city or construct a building without a single mistake? Immersive technology is bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. Cities like Helsinki are leading the charge, using digital twins, virtual replicas of real-world systems to optimize traffic flow and energy use before implementing changes. In construction, augmented reality, AR, glasses allow workers to overlay 3D blueprints onto real-world environments, reducing errors by up to 90%. But there's a darker side. As our spaces become more connected and data-driven, privacy concerns grow. Who controls all this information? And how can we ensure everyone has access to these powerful tools? Number 5. Integrated sensing and communication, ISAC. What if the invisible airwaves all around us could not only connect us, but also sense the world? Integrated Sensing and Communication, ISAC technology, is turning wireless networks into powerful environmental sensors. By using radio waves, ISAC can create real-time maps of surroundings, detect motion, and even monitor air quality. The applications are game-changing. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly because smart sensors constantly adjust traffic lights based on real-time conditions, or hospitals that monitor patients remotely, spotting health issues before they become emergencies. For autonomous vehicles, ISAC could provide an additional layer of environmental awareness, making them even safer. However, as incredible as this sounds, there's a dark side. A technology that can see through walls could easily be abused for invasive surveillance. Plus, managing the enormous amount of data these systems collect raises serious questions about privacy and ethics. How do we balance the promise of smarter systems with the need to protect individual rights? Number 4. High-altitude platform stations, HAPS. Over 2.6 billion people still lack internet access. What if the solution was floating 20 kilometers above us? HAPS are essentially flying cell towers designed to bring connectivity to remote and underserved areas. These platforms can be deployed quickly during natural disasters, restoring communication when it's needed most. They're also more cost-effective than traditional infrastructure in sparsely populated regions. But keeping these stations aloft for long periods demands advanced materials and energy systems. And what about navigating airspace regulations? Could this be the answer to bridging the global digital divide? Number 3. Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces, RIS. Imagine walls, windows, or even your furniture improving your wireless connectivity. That's the promise of reconfigurable intelligent surfaces panels that redirect signals, boosting coverage and reducing energy consumption. Early studies show RIS could increase network capacity tenfold in dense urban areas, all without building additional infrastructure. Beyond better phone signals, it could enable precise indoor positioning, revolutionizing industries like healthcare and manufacturing. But with such control over wireless signals, the potential for misuse like targeted surveillance raises critical questions. Is this the connectivity upgrade we need, or is it too much power in the wrong hands? Number 2. Privacy-enhancing technologies, PETs. In a world driven by data, how do we protect our privacy? Privacy-enhancing technologies are stepping up to the challenge. Homomorphic encryption allows computations on encrypted data, enabling secure analysis without exposing sensitive information. It's already being used in healthcare to analyze patient data without compromising confidentiality. Another innovation, federated learning, trains AI models on decentralized data, reducing the need for centralized data collection. Companies like Google are using it to improve predictive technologies, but these solutions are computationally intensive and can slow systems down. How do we balance privacy, efficiency, and cost in a data-hungry world? Number 1. AI for scientific discovery. What if machines could unravel the mysteries of the universe? AI is already reshaping how we explore science. In 2023, an AI-designed drug entered human trials, cutting development time to just 12 months. AI is also predicting new materials for solar cells and solving problems in nuclear fusion that baffled humans for decades. But here's the challenge. AI systems often operate as black boxes, making their results difficult to interpret. And as AI advances, access inequality grows, threatening to leave some behind. Can we harness the power of AI without losing control or widening the scientific divide? The technologies shaping 2024 are more than just innovations, they're glimpses into our collective future. Each breakthrough comes with questions we must answer, challenges we must overcome, and possibilities we can't ignore. What do you think? Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this journey fascinating, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's explore what's next.